Aaliyah, and I'm back with another video. So as you can see, I still have my mini twists in. If you missed the video on how I did these, I will put it down below. But it had been 9 days in total, and my hair still looked pretty good. I definitely could have left them in for another week. I am going to do a close-up for you guys so you can see. I did have a little bit of frizz, mostly on the ends, which was expected. But all in all, they did still look pretty good. But me personally, my scalp was so itchy, so I definitely needed to take them out and get ready for wash day. But before I actually unravel, I did use some of Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. So I'm applying this all over my scalp because, like I said, it was very dry by day 9. So I like the fact that it has an applicator. I just went row by row and put it onto my scalp, massaged it in. It's made with amla oil, jojoba oil, a whole bunch of really good oils, as well as honey and biotin. So it's going to help with thinning, hair breakage, moisturizing my scalp, and then also promoting hair growth. So once my scalp was all oiled and massaged, I did take some more oil and just applied it on like my edges and stuff, and then all on my hair. So after I did that, I'm just showing you this twist that I unraveled just to see what my definition was looking like, and it looks really good. So I was, excited to take these out and have a nice twist out. So to unravel my mini twist, I went ahead and worked row by row, and this just was the easiest way to make sure that I got every single twist, and just to make sure that the other twists weren't in my way while I'm trying to, unravel and all that. So before I actually unraveled, I did add about like 1 to 2 more drops of oil just to make sure that, I reduce any frizz that I might get, especially since these were in for like 9 days. And unraveling was super easy. I just started from the root, went all the way down, and it unravels super easy. You could see my definition, got some good definition, and then I just started to separate. So separating was super easy as well. I think I separated about 2 to 4 times for each twist because I don't know, usually when I do mini twists, I don't get a lot of volume, so I was a little worried about if I was going to get any volume, but you guys will see towards the end of the video. And I'm just going to be quiet now and let you guys see the rest of this because it's pretty self-explanatory. I just did the exact same steps all the way around. So the last thing I did was stretch, pick, and fluff my hair with my wide tooth comb just to try and get as much volume as I could because, like I said, typically with mini twist outs, I don't get much volume at all. But this mini twist out, I had a ton of volume. I don't know if it's because my hair is longer, because I left them in longer, I don't know. But this is the final look, and I just loved the volume. I loved the definition. It was still nice and soft. So like I said, mini twists are a 2-in-1 style. you can rock the twist, then you can rock the twist out. So if my scalp was not super duper itchy, I would have left this in for a few days at least. So let me know what you guys think about the mini twist and the mini twist out, if you guys will be doing them soon during this quarantine or not. I would love to know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.